looks like it's got to have something to do for... Who the hell knows? There's a stairwell there.
Girl. Salad. That's a bad word, I'm sure. That face.
Oh, yeah. Looks like it's probably...
This looks really new, this graffiti, actually.
Whoa, okay. Don't wipe out. Do some parkours.
I cannot do parkour.
Well, you're doing it. That's all parkour is walking across the top of stuff.
Yeah.
Near as I can tell.
Somebody really liked Mr. Bean.
Well,
putting it everywhere. Astro.
He's funny.
Trey.
Ooh, is this gonna collapse? Check it out. Here I'm just walking on it like it doesn't matter.
Boy.
Oh. All right, so we found some more. There's no telling what this is for. And there's probably no way to even ever find out. Not with Google or nothing. But
I'm just admiring all the
there's graffitis over there. Any swear words?
It's not super cool. It's just like a big one.
Oh, some wise apple. Some high schoolers.
15 out of 4.
It's just, I could do better.
We should come up here.
But why would I want to, right? Like, who cares? Graffiti? I mean, see that a little bit? I guess that's cool.
I think this stuff down here is way cooler.
Can I get down there if I go around here? I gotta follow you down there.
I think so.
'Cause I'm old. I don't want to trip over everything. Oh, this is a little better. So this is the main one. You can see from the road the easiest. Has a little bit of graffiti on it, so that makes it cool. All right, let's see. Turn that. Halle's grave. So it's got all this. Kind of neat. Oh, we'll go walk in there. There he is. There's a good looking little ghost.
There was a suspicious noise over there.
So there's a ramp. That's nice. There's probably animals that live in here. Don't kid yourself. But they can hear you, so they're probably hiding. What? No.
I said that there were snakes and I was like,
Oh
okay.
no. No snakes. Huh. So who the heck? Look how big that nut and bolt there. So it's crumbling. The weather's getting to it.
Maybe my parents will drive by and pick me up.
Why, you're done walking now? This was your idea. I'll get to So, this is where you come hang out if you're a teenager, I guess. Oh, so you can see the ones up there where we were. That's interesting. This had to do something with mining, I guess. There's more down that way. Only we could ever know. You could probably find out. You know what? I wish we had some bottles we could break. Apparently that's what you're supposed to do. But I don't have any. Oh, Hal did it easy. Oh, I'm gonna have to video myself doing this. All right, I should do it. 2 or 3 times so you can get the angle of me going and coming back. But this is sketchy old wood. Oh, geez. I know. Why didn't you bring your phone? Hallie's not helping me. Oh, that wasn't too bad. If I had other shoes on, I would just walk right through, be done with it. But that wasn't so bad. For a second, I was a little nervous though.
And over here?
Oh man. Crisscrossing. Ooh. Good thing I can do a flip. Oh, check it out. That's why. See that? Little creek. Yeah. Take a sip. Man, we're seeing the countryside like no one else. I never would have seen that before, if not for this hike. Yeah, you'd never have to go home with a killer fort here.
Yeah.
Look at this rock wall.
Just live off the Saskatoon berries.
Some masonry. Check this mess out. What? What? That's amazing. Looks like a plane crash. So there's another little foundation down there. That's neat and everything, but wow. Look at this mess. Huh.
Do you want to go up the sketchy way or the long, boring way?
I want to go up the easiest way.
Well, this is the fastest way.
Alright, I guess we go up the fastest way. Here's from the top. We just bushwhacked this steep hill. I wonder if that car slid down this way from here, like from up there.
But what if
Or maybe
also,
even like right here.
or what if someone just drove straight off into the cliff?
Man, who will ever know? Well, it looks like it slid down here because all that's...
Yeah, it does.
But you'd think it would grow back. That's an old car.
Yeah.
There's no motor in it, so I think someone just ditched it. All right, so here's the overlook. We were way down there, up in the hill. We walked, oh man, we walked way further than I thought. Check out how beautiful the lake is. Train track right there. It's very scenic. Look at that, how beautiful. Can't see there, the sun. So we just got to go down across so you can see. That's where we're going. Awesome. Beautiful up here. Though, I won't come up here very much because it is a hard walk. Oh, and you can look behind. See, this is the tailings from the mining. And it's way up there in the hill. You can see that. Interesting, hey? Orange. I don't know what that means. Iron, does it? Or something? Someone tell me in the comments.
Once or twice or
Dang it. Look at that. It's way up there. That's a lot higher than it looks from here. There's a path that comes across up there. Right there, kind of. You get the point. And then you go up further, up the hill. Well, we're almost done our hike. Coming the back road, the back way to the house now. So that's actually pretty close. Just up back there. I should run that hill. We'll see. We'll see. Don't hold me to it because it's pretty steep. But next time I come back here, I'll try and go up there again.